Black, black, green, black, black, green. Yeah, give me green.
So today on the farm, the guys are putting bird netting on these silage bags. We have a ton of starlings and you can't do anything about them. Anyways, they get in the silage between the starlings and the crows. They'll make a mess if we don't put bird netting on the bags. And the bird netting is pretty close to being 100% successful. Sometimes they will go on the side and peck a hole, but for the most part, it works. So today the guys are putting the netting on. They throw it over and keep it weighted down with sandbags that they hook on.